the park today to lie down in the grass. I don't go there, but it reminds me of the past. All that I ever see is all our old memories of how we used to love the time away. Finally changed it then. I threw away the water chair. I bought the bookcase that you always wanted there. There's nothing else to do besides filling an empty room. This old house feels a lot like me. I should have said that I was sorry, and everything you said was right. I would apologize for anything you want if I could only hold you close tonight. You may say our love is over, but for me it never ends. Do you forgetting make them easy? But I keep hearing from old friends. The tailors sold their house. There's new people moving in. I guess this means I'll hear those questions once again. Living here alone doesn't make this house a home. Now it's all so plain for me to see. I should have said that I was sorry, and everything you said was right. I would apologize for anything you want if I could only hold you close tonight. I would apologize for anything you want if I could only hold you close tonight. If I could only hold you close tonight.